Side 2. Page 84. Listen and speak. Now take the pilot's part and reply to the controller's instructions. Listen to the example.
Sierra Foxtrot 153, contact Delta Control on 128.7, goodbye.
You reply,
128.7, Sierra Foxtrot 153, goodbye.
you contact Delta Control.
Delta Control, Sierra Foxtrot 153, good morning.
Delta Control, good morning, Sierra Foxtrot 153.
Give flight level and heading.
Sierra Foxtrot 153, flight level 90, heading 130.
Reply in the same way to the controllers using the data for flights 1 to 6 on page 84. Start with the example again. Are you ready? 1.
Sierra Foxtrot 153, contact Delta Control on 128.7, goodbye.
Call Delta Control.
Delta Control, good morning, Sierra Foxtrot 153. Climb to flight level 210, report reaching, maintain present heading.
Call reaching 210.
Roger, Sierra Foxtrot 153, climb to level 310. Change now, 129.4, goodbye.
Two.
Alpha Golf 235, change to Foxtrot Control now on 132.4.
Call Foxtrot Control.
Foxtrot Control, good morning, Alpha Golf 235. Climb to flight level 210, report passing 180, maintain present heading.
Call passing flight level 180.
Roger, Alpha Golf 235, turn right heading 330 and climb to level 280. Contact India Control on 131.7, goodbye.
Three.
Yankee Foxtrot Lima, contact Mike Control on 126.5.
Call Mike Control.
Mike Control, good morning, Yankee
Call November Control.
November Control, good morning, Oscar Papa Romeo. Turn right heading 230 and climb to flight level 240, report reaching.
Call reaching flight level 240.
Roger, Oscar Papa Romeo, climb to level 290. Change now to Alpha Control on 129.5.
Five.
Delta November Oscar, contact Whiskey Control on 133.2.
Call Whiskey Control.
Delta November Oscar Whiskey Control, good morning. Climb to flight level 250, report passing 150.
Call passing flight level 150.
Roger, Delta November Oscar, turn left heading 160, climb to flight level 270. Contact now Zulu Control on 129.5.
6.
Zulu Echo 692, change to Foxtrot Control on 126.9.
Call Foxtrot Control.
Foxtrot Control, good morning, Zulu Echo. Turn right heading 130, climb to flight level 210, expedite until passing 150. Zulu Echo 692, report reaching level 210.
Call reaching flight level 210.
Roger, Zulu Echo, contact Delta Control on 128.2.
Check. When the exercise seems easy and you think all your replies are correct, check your answers on page 86. Part 2, Section 4.2, Climb, Non-Routine. Page 85. Listen and answer. Listen to the following dialogues and write down the answer to the question after each one. There is one question for each dialogue. 1.
Sun Air 9
Delta 28. We've just come through some severe turbulence. What kind of traffic is there ahead of us?
It must have been wake turbulence. There's a 747 ahead, although normal separation was provided.
Question. What was the cause of the turbulence? 2.
Sun Air 596, what is your rate of climb?
700 feet per minute.
Due to traffic, can you adjust your rate of climb to be above flight level 180 at the FIR boundary?
Above flight level 180 at the FIR boundary will do, Sun Air 596.
Question. Why does the controller want the pilot to change his rate of climb? 3.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. Winton Control, Sun Air 165. We have a fire in the hold. We are making an emergency descent to flight level 30, leaving flight level 310, left of green 4, heading to New Bridge for emergency landing. Please advise. Present position, radial 04050 miles from Winton VOR.
Question. What is the emergency and what immediate action are they taking? Check. Check your answers on page 88. Page 85. Listen and write. Listen to the same dialogues again and complete the texts. Check. Check your answers on page 88. Part 2. Section 5.1. End of climb. Routine.
Phraseology practice. Page 90. Listen. Listen to the following dialogue.
Echo Control, Sierra Foxtrot 153, good morning.
Go ahead, 153.
Sierra Foxtrot 153, flight level 90, heading 130.
Maintain present heading, climb flight level 210, report when reaching.
Climbing level 210, Sierra Foxtrot 153. Sierra Foxtrot 153, reaching level 210.
Roger, Sierra Foxtrot 153, climb to level 270.
Climbing level 270. Is level 310 available?
Negative, can you accept level 390?
Negative.
Change now on 129.4.
129.4. Goodbye. Sierra Foxtrot 153.
Page 90. Listen and repeat. Listen again and repeat the pilot's words.
Echo Control, Sierra Foxtrot 153. Good morning.
Go ahead, 153.
Sierra Foxtrot 153, flight level 90, heading 130.
Maintain present heading, climb flight level 210, report when reaching.
Climbing level 210, Sierra Foxtrot 153. Sierra Foxtrot 153, reaching level 210.
Roger, Sierra Foxtrot 153, climb to level 270.
Climbing level 270. Is level 310 available?
Negative, can you accept level 390?
Negative.
Change now on 129.4.
129.4. Goodbye. Sierra
Page 90. Write. Complete the text of the dialogue on page 90 by filling in the pilot's words. Check. Check your answers on page 92. Page 90. Listen and speak. Continue for each flight using the details on page 90 and try to negotiate a good cruise level if necessary. Listen to the example. 1. Contact Echo Control.
Sierra Foxtrot 153, Echo Control, good morning.
Go ahead, 153.
Give flight level and heading.
Sierra Foxtrot 153, flight level 90, heading 130.
Maintain present heading, climb flight level 210, report when reaching.
You reply.
Climbing level 210, Sierra Foxtrot 153.
Continue in the same way. Start with the example again. Are you ready? Number 1. Contact Echo Control.
Go ahead, 153. Maintain present heading, climb flight level 210, report when reaching.
You are now reaching level 210. Call control.
Roger, Sierra Foxtrot 153, climb to level 270. Negative, not at the moment. Can you accept level 390? Change now to 129.4. Goodbye, Sierra Foxtrot 153.
Number 2. Contact control.
Go ahead, Alpha Golf 235. Turn right, heading 290. I'll call you back for further climb. Alpha Golf 235, climb now to flight level 280. Negative. Can you accept level 410? Change now to 131.7. Goodbye.
Number 3. Contact control.
Go ahead, Yankee Foxtrot Lima. Maintain your heading and climb to level 190, report reaching.
You've reached level 190. Call control.
Roger, Yankee Foxtrot Lima, climb to level 330. Call 127.
Number 4. Contact control.
Go ahead, Oscar Papa Romeo. Turn left heading 160. I'll call you back. Oscar Papa Romeo, climb to level 250. Due to heavy traffic. Can you accept 390? Climb then to level 250. Report reaching.
You're reaching 250. Call control.
Contact 132.9.
Number 5. Contact control.
Go ahead, Delta November Oscar. Level 170, report when reaching.
You're reaching level 170. Call control.
Roger, Delta November Oscar. Climb now to level 210. Change now to 129.3. Goodbye.
Number 6. Contact control. You are now passing level 150. Call control.
Roger, Zulu Echo. Climb flight level 290. 330 is unavailable. Can you accept 410? Change now to 133.2. Goodbye.
Check. Check your answers on page 93.
Part 2, Section 5.2. End of climb. Non-routine. Page 91. Listen and answer. Listen to the following dialogues and write down the answer to the question at the end of each one. There is one question for each dialogue. 1.
Winton Control, Sun Air 883. We are unable to control pressurization. Cabin altitude is rising fast. Request immediate descent to flight level 120.
Roger, descent to flight level 120. Report reaching.
Descending to flight level 120, Sun Air 883. Sun Air 883 reaching flight level 120.
Roger, Sun Air 883. What are your intentions?
Request to resume our flight to Rexbury at this level.
Question. What is the problem and what action is being taken? 2.
Sun Air 596, could we have a slightly lower flight level? We're experiencing moderate turbulence at this level.
Sun Air 596, call you back. Sun Air 596, descend to flight level 280.
Descending to flight level 280, Sun Air 596.
Question. Why does the pilot want a lower level? 3.
Sun Air 725, request divert to Overby. A passenger is seriously ill, probably a heart attack.
Roger, Sun Air 725, turn right heading 290. I'll tell Overby you require medical assistance on landing.
Turning right 290, Sun Air 725.
Question. Why does the pilot change her route? Check. Check your answers on page 94. Page 91. Listen and write. Listen to the same dialogues again and complete the texts. Check. Check your answers on page 94. Part 2, Section 6.1. Flight from Rexbury to Winton. Take off and climb. Page 96. Listen and read. Flight plan details. Golf 5 departure. Climb initially to flight level 110. Cruising level 290. Route. Reporting points Romeo India Victor, River, then Bravo Charlie Kilo, Black Rock. Page 96. Listen and speak. You are flying from Rexbury to Winton. Call sign Sun Air 367. You are lined up and ready for departure on runway 29er. Call ready for departure.
Sun Air 367 cleared for takeoff. Wind 255 degrees, 13 knots. Sun Air 367 airborne 04. Climb on present heading to flight level 110. Contact Rexbury Control on 128.8.
Call Rexbury Control.
Sun Air 367, Rexbury Control, good afternoon. Turn right now, heading 050 and continue climb to flight level 220. Sun Air 367, proceed now to Romeo India Victor VOR and re-cleared to flight level 270, cruising level.
Ask if you can have flight level 330.
Stand by, Sun Air, I'll call you back. Sun Air 367, can you accept flight
can't.
Sun Air 367, climb to flight level 270, report when reaching.
Call at flight level 270.
Roger, Sun Air 367, change now to New County Upper Control, frequency 135.9, goodbye.
Check. Check your answers on page 98. Part 2, Section 6.2. Flight from Dublin to Paris. Take off and climb. Page 96. Listen and read. Flight plan details. Call sign Sierra Foxtrot 309er. Reporting points Liffey, Wallasey, Telba, Midhurst. Page 96. Listen and speak. Take the pilot's part. Follow the instructions and reply to the controller. The exercise starts with the aircraft lined up on runway 17, ready for departure. You will hear communication with other traffic on your frequency. Call ready to depart.
Roger 309, it's clear takeoff runway 17, it's a left turn out direct for Liffey, wind is 10020 knots. That is correct. Airborne time 23, contact Dublin Control 1280.
Call Dublin.
Sierra Fox 309, direct Liffey, climb flight level 230. Sierra Fox 309, report flight level.
Reply level 100.
Report DME. 68 DME. Number and Roger identified. Okay. Sierra Fox 309, continue climb to 230, call London 128.05.
Call London.
Fox 309, good day, Fox 5260, maintain 230 on reaching. Fox 309, climb to flight level 290. 7091, climb to flight level 280.
7091, thank you. 690,
692, good morning, level 310.
692, good morning to you, maintain level 310.
Check. Check your answers on page 98. Part 2. 7.2. Parts of a plane.
Page 102. Look, listen and repeat. Look at the picture on page 101. Listen and repeat the words. Are you ready? 1.
Nose.
2.
Windshield.
3.
Door.
4.
Fuselage.
5.
Wing.
6.
Wing tip.
7.
Slats.
8.
Landing gear or undercarriage.
9.
Tail fin.
10.
Rudder.
11.
Elevators.
12.
Stabilizer.
13.
Window.
14.
Hold door.
15.
Trailing edge.
16.
Leading edge.
17.
Engine nacelle.
18.
Nose gear.
19.
Ailerons.
20.
Spoilers.
21.
Air brakes.
22.
Flaps.
Page 102. Look, listen and speak. Now test yourself. How many of the words do you remember? Listen and say the correct word when you hear the number. Then you'll hear the right answer. Remember, don't repeat the words. Try to say them before the recording. Listen to an example. 1. You say
Nose.
You hear the correct answer.
Nose.
Now you do it. Start with the example again. Are you ready? 1.
Nose.
2.
Windshield or windscreen.
3.
Door.
4.
Fuselage.
5.
Wing.
6.
Wing tip.
7.
Slats.
8.
Landing gear or undercarriage.
9.
Tail fin.
10.
Rudder.
11.
Elevators.
12.
Stabilizer.
13.
Window.
14.
Hold or cargo compartment door.
15.
Trailing edge.
16.
Leading edge.
17.
Engine nacelle or pod.
18.
Nose gear.
19.
Ailerons.
20.
Spoilers.
21.
Air brakes.
22.
Flaps.
Check. Check your answers on page 105.
Part 2, Section 7.3. Cockpit instruments.
Page 104. Listen and write. Listen to the description of the main control panel and complete the diagram.
The captain's main control panel on the Airbus 300B. Starting in the bottom left-hand corner, on the left there is a clock. Next to the clock is the DME, distance measuring equipment, and above the DME you find the airspeed indicator. On the right of the airspeed indicator is the attitude director indicator, the ADI. Below the ADI there is the horizontal situation indicator, HSI. On the bottom row on the right is the automatic direction finder, the ADF. Between the ADF and the HSI is an altimeter, and above it is a radio altimeter. On the right of the radio altimeter, above the ADF, is the vertical speed indicator.
Check. Check your answers on page 107.
End of Part 2. End of Side 2.